Hello YouTube, Rafi here with another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make $2,000 per month using Adfly. Do you freaking believe that? But it is true. You know, Adfly is a website which allow you to shorten your URLs. It is no different from tinyurl.com or bit.ly. However, it does differ because Adfly have ads. Whenever someone opens the shortened URL, there is a 5-second frame which is show an ad. The timing is very short and the majority of people don't mind waiting 5 seconds. You will get up to $9 for 1,000 views. Your CPM rate depends on your Adfly link traffic. More CPM rate means more money. Adfly has a country targeted traffic system. For an example, if you got 1,000 clicks from America and earned $9, and the same day you got another 1,000 clicks from China and earned extra $6. Total you got 9 plus 6, $15 for that day. So the question is how much money you can earn with Adfly. It is a good question. How much you could earn with Adfly depends on from which location your link get clicks. Anyway, if you really put some effort, you will get a lot of money. $9 for 1,000 views, it may sound small, but just think for a second. How big is Facebook? How much people using Facebook daily? There are more than 500 million people using Facebook on a daily basis. Imagine if you could get even a small portion of Facebook users to click on your Adfly links, how much money you can make. Is there only a Facebook on internet? There are many other social networks such as Facebook. You can post your links on Twitter, Google+, Pinterest. You can also post them on YouTube. You can upload good quality videos and provide appropriate shortened links under your video description. You can even make a website. You can start a website by spending a small amount of money. You can even start a website for free, like blog using Blogger. Create good contents and spread your links on it. Refer other. You can make money by referring your Adfly referral link to your friends, relatives, or anyone and earn 20% of their earning for a lifetime. Wow. You can refer Adfly to advertisers and get their 5% on every advertising order they make. So I will give you a demo. Let's take a quick tour on Adfly. Now you're seeing the Adfly dashboard on the screen. On the upper side you can see a quick access menu. Adfly has a really user-friendly interface. We need to appreciate Adfly for that. Under here you can see the URL box and the shrink button. Below that you can see the earnings and your total views. And down here you can see the Adfly view graph. Okay, let's get started. The first step, copy a custom URL or any URL that you want to shorten. Just copy it and come back to your Adfly dashboard and click here, paste the URL, click the shrink button. Ta-da! Your URL is short. Now you're gonna make money. Let's try it on browser. Now you can see the 5-second count here, and this is the ad. After the count finish, you can see the skip button. Yes, this is the skip button. Just click that and you will redirect to the non-shorted URL that you used for this particular shortened process. This is what happening every time when somebody click on your Adfly link. You will get simply paid by Adfly without even running a website, without even spending a penny. Even you will get earned while you're sleeping. That's how you make money with Adfly. So let's go and post this link somewhere. Let's go to Facebook. Yep, this is my Facebook fan page, and let's paste the link here and type something. If you want, you can add an awesome picture to this post, so your post will get more views, your post will be more eye-catching. Yes, your link is now posted, let's try to click it. Wow, it's worked like a charm. If you want to test the Adfly link, check out the link below in the description. You can sign up to Adfly if you don't have an account. I will give a link below in the description. That's how you make money online with Adfly. If you like my video, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Goodbye. Peace.